Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Our good name is Gertech Designer. So if you are new here, make sure to subscribe, like, share and comment. So here we have this amazing 3-bedroom house that we have been doing. I think it's almost like 2 months that since we started doing with the day one of which we started setting out until now. You can see we are almost on the final paints. Now we are on the interior. Okay, you can say it finishings, because we are doing let's say like painting, of which we have done the skimming, we have done the gypsum installation, and then you can see now we are doing molding, of which you can see here we have done with this molding, but on the other end it's not yet done, they are still ongoing. So here you can see this is our wall. As you can see, we have done this rough and tough, or we always call it we always call it wall master in other in language. So you can see these lines that you see here it will be done a different paint as the one that will be on this particular rough and tough. So this one is not the final paint, this one is just the color of our rough and tough. And then you can see even the design of the molding work that we have done here, it's not yet complete. It will be done. Okay, in terms of painting it's not yet done, but we'll have to do a painting that is not as the same as on the other other wall. So I think if you are there, you are looking for a guy who can build you this particular project. This is a 3-bedroom house. It has got a sitting, a kitchen inside, a dining, and the good thing is that it has only one toilet, of which the guy had the reason that he went with that particular design is that he was in terms of water management, he was saying that he was reasoning that whenever he puts, let's say like a 3-bedroom another public toilet inside, it will be too hard for him to control the water usage. So that's why you can see he was not unable to do the other bedroom. So only master is ensuite. So I want to get you inside so that you can see here the kind of these columns design that we have done. So you can see here there are 3. So you can see the first one is there, and the second one, and the third one is that at the end. And then you can see even at the top we have done the beautification of which we have drawn that molding design, and then you have done with the rough and tough, the wall master. So here this is the front balcony. As you can see, it's quite big enough for it to be able to sustain our project. And then I think we have the last video that I did, we had not yet installed this particular door. As you can see here, we have done it, even though it's not yet, we are almost because we have not yet done with the paint. This one is just the first paint, of which when we'll be doing the final paint of this particular house, will now do the final paint. So here where I'm standing, this is a balcony, this is the corridor. You can see this corridor, this house has got 2 corridors. So the first one is here as you goes on, and then there's another corridor here that you can see that it leads towards that end, of which is our kitchen, of which you can see these are bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and the other end is our master there. So I will be showing you up there when we'll be at that particular point. And then here you can see that this is now our arch that welcomes us towards this particular house. This is our sitting room. You can see the design of arch that we went, something beautiful. Our molder didn't disappoint us, the way you can see he has done a very beautiful job when it comes to delivery. We always say if you choose a wrong engineer or a profession, at the end of the day you'll have the thing that you are maybe on your mind, it won't be as the one that actual. But if you choose someone who knows the thing that is doing, as compared to us, you can see the owner chose this particular design, and then we have almost delivered it as his wish. So we are on this particular sitting room. As you can see, it's white. And then the good thing we done this particular entire house, we did a skimming. So the house is too soft, and then it's too smooth. So it's, okay, not soft, I can say the house is smooth and on the wall. And then you can see the type of the gypsum design that we went, something that will match with our sitting room. The way you can see after you'll be doing lighting points there. And then on the other end, this is now our dining room. The arch that leads us towards the dining room, you can see it's quite big, it's quite enough, as you can see on this particular house. And then so here we are on our dining room. So this is the dining room. You can see the gypsum design that we went, something simple, but it's worth it the way you see on here on this particular video. And then you can see there's a design of the windows that we went, the grills. Even though I told you, even though we had not agreed on this particular design, but we went to go with it because it was been already installed, so we went with it. But I think next time we'll have to better up, because it's not our fault, it's the fault for the guy for the hardware. That's why we always tell that's why we always have a very big fight with the guys for hardware, because they always don't do as per the client. So you can see the window for this particular sitting room is quite big enough, and then there are two. So this is the one there, and the second, the one that is the way you can see is there, so that you can see to allow the fresh air to enter this particular house. You can see this one, and then you can see this one is direct towards the gate. So I think up to there, if you are watching this video for the first time, kindly make sure to subscribe, like, share and comment. For more information, our number is, you can reach us through our number is 0746289667. You can call us, WhatsApp us, anything, provided that you have access to us. And then if you are watching this video on YouTube, kindly go on TikTok, on Facebook, follow at Garytech Designers. You'll have to see the kind of amazing work that we always do. So let me start with the master bedroom. As you can see, this is the master bedroom, quite spacious. As you can see on this, you can see there's a lot of pointing on this particular room. So we always do a lot of pointing so that our client will not have some let's say in terms of let's say charging points, lighting point. We always do a lot of provision so that he or she can have his own right points whenever he feels that he not to be going maybe from the other end, going to charge on his own. So you can see the bed, it will be here. So you can see we have fitted the socket there. There's another socket there for side lamps. There's bed switch there. I think there's another one there, even though it has not yet been opened. And then you can see the ceiling design. All this kind of finishing that we have done here is something that is of high quality, as the way you can see on this particular video. And then on the end here, this is now our master ensuite. You can see the design is quite spacious. As you can see here, we have already done the partition to separate the room for the one for the paint and the other one for the tiles. And then there's a small partition that we have left here. That one, it will be for our WC, our walk-in closet. So let me go to the other side. As you can see, let me go to the other side. So here, this is the bedroom one, or you can call it bedroom one or bedroom one, because we have already toured on the master bedroom. And then you can see now this is the bedroom one, and the other one is bedroom two. So if you combine it, it will be 3 bedrooms. So this is the bedroom one. You can see it has got a big and space, big windows, because it is if you see the direction of the sun is there. So if we feel that if you put here one window, it will not be enough, because in terms of let's say weather condition here in Garissa, it could be too hot for this particular room to be only having one window. So that's why you can see we put window 1 and window 2 on this particular design. And then you can see the roofing on the ceiling. We went with only flat ceiling design on this particular room. So on bedroom 1 and bedroom 2, we have gone with the we have gone with this normal ceiling design, of which is a flat, and then we have done corner. So this is the bedroom 2. The window is only one because on the other end we have got a kitchen and the other bedroom, and then so you can see we had to do that particular point there. And then here This is now our master bed, not our master bedroom. This is now our kitchen. As you can see, we have left this particular space so that we can use it for, how do you call it? We can use it for the kitchen cabinets, the low and the high level, the way you can see there. So we are going to put tiles and the low level. I will be showing you each and every step that will be undergoing. You can see the window grill is there. You can see the pointing for the water is here. The outlet is just at this particular end. And then this is now our kitchen pantry. As you can see, quite big enough for it to accommodate this particular project. So this one is a outdoor or an exit door that leads us towards this particular room. So this is the rear porch. As you can see, it's quite enough for him to allow him to put his own belonging here. So if let's say in the house you have a lot of things, you can come and arrange it here. So we've been doing these two projects concurrently. This is another project of which we have been doing walling, perimeter wall, and then you can see we are now doing the column concrete. So I think, guys, up to there I will stop there. So if you have more information, you can visit our TikTok page, you can visit our YouTube page, you can visit our everything, only on all social media platform. We are called Garitech Designer. So let's meet tomorrow after we have done the next step. I'll be showing you each step and step that because we have a lot of projects. So I think I will show you the next step tomorrow. So bye bye.